Hey, we hope that you enjoyed part 1 of our holiday vlog. Sorry that we had to split it into 2. We didn't realize that we couldn't post all the little tiny clips, but this is a part 2 of our holiday vlog / travel vlog. Hope you enjoy. So this is the highway, aka the skating rink.
Yeah, the highway in Ohio.
Yep. This is insane. I've never seen the highway like this before. Ever.
I've seen it worse than
This is crazy.
Can't count.
Me and Barbie.
Either can't count.
Is it really?
Yeah, we get $15.
We're gonna have to.
So we're still in Tennessee. We had our Christmas this morning. I just finished putting my makeup on. I didn't really sleep that well, but I mean, we're not home, so. Just got this for Christmas. It's moonshine. He got a pair of shoes, some gift cards, a video game. I got a Starbucks gift card, of course. Not mad at it because I love it. I got some more blocks, which I am taking home, putting in the freezer with my other set of blocks, so that way, you know, New Year's Eve we'll have plenty to drink. We had breakfast this morning. Oh, and I got this necklace, which I love. It says, you were ready for your wings, but I was not ready for you to leave, or something like that. Your wings were ready, but my heart was not. That's what it says. And on the back is my grandma's picture. So, I cried. So, it's been Christmas so far. Christmas is over. Everybody's leaving to go home tomorrow. Kind of ready to go home. I miss my babies and I'm worried about them. My mom said that she hasn't been able to go check on my babies, and I left them extra everything just in case because of the weather. And now I really wish that I would have fought more to bring them with me. I just pray they're okay when I get there. We're going home. I'm so excited. So excited. I miss my fur kids so much. We are making a pit stop right now that apparently you have to wait to go to.
Look at all those gas pumps.
And we're in Kentucky right now. We're almost home. Literally not too far from home, to be honest. And we're going to a place called Buc-ees. We've been talking about it like for 2 trips and back and never stopped. So we've decided to stop. I'm kind of like a little excited about it just because we've been talking about it. See what they got in this
Ginormous
place.
gas station. They got like 114 gas pumps.
114 gas pumps. Like, what? It's crazy. God, it's long.
Yeah.
Is there one on the other side too or something?
I don't know.
You guys, this is... Those are all gas pumps. What? Guys, there's a line to get into a gas station. This is like waiting to get into Kings Island, but a flipping gas station. I mean...
What do you get here? Gas and sandwiches.
This is stupid. Hey, y'all. Oh my god. There's jerky over there. It's Boggy the Beaver.
Pop out of the car.
Why are people down there singing? Did you hear that?
I did.
Okay, so for one, I didn't think I was getting out of the car today, so I'm pretty sure the bottoms of my sweatpants are ruined. Because I wore wide leg pants and it snowed and the ground is soaked and I walked on my pants because I'm 5'1". So there's that. So my feet are cold. Two, we will probably never go to Buc-ee's again. Ever. This
There's
place
entirely too many people in there.
is crowded as hell. It's like Black Friday at Walmart in there. If you've ever done
But
that.
we're about to try the famous sandwich.
Yeah. Well, did you get brisket?
I did. I got the brisket sandwich.
He's gonna try the brisket, and I'll let you know how it is because I'm not trying the brisket. I got a chicken sandwich because my stomach is jacked. So go travel. It's okay though. So we'll let you know how it is. I'll show you what we got actually. Before I do that, I got Funyuns because
You can get those anywhere.
I saw them and I was like, Funyuns. Even though my stomach's jacked, let's eat them. I might regret it. I got the fried chicken sandwich. They're expensive, by the way. $6.99 for a sandwich. Just a sandwich.
Mine's $8.49.
Oh my god. He got the famous brisket, and he's gonna let me know how that is. $8.49. Oh, hell no.
And that was the small sandwich.
And then I had to get these because they're, you know, cotton candy flavored, and I want to know what the hell they are.
Looks like popcorn.
It does look like popcorn.
That's some good brisket.
Is it barbecue?
I think so.
Oh, you can't have it. I'm not doing that to myself.
That's a good sandwich.
Alright, darling, what's it say?
Huh?
Yeah.
That says Florence, y'all.
Lawrence, y'all. We have to get it on the way there and back.
Y'all coming back now, you hear?
Bye. That is some Final Destination shit.
Yep, I've seen that movie. I don't want to do that. Go on, buddy. Get out of here.
Bye. Look at it. Home. Yay. Oh my gosh. It just makes my heart so happy every time I see it. Peru Tower. Bingo Stadium. We're home. Almost home.
Soon.
Soon we'll be home. Very soon.
Dude, what are you doing? Get out of the way.
Move, Texas. Welcome back home. I said welcome back home to the frozen tundra. So we're home and the babies are good and we're really glad to be home, tired, and we will see you all in the next one. Hope you enjoyed the vlog and had a great Christmas.